Hi Jyoti, I just would like to thank you so much for using my yoga sanctuary on Sheffield Road, Rotherham to do your Natya Aerobics, and I'm very fortunate that you were able to do this particular event in the yoga sanctuary, especially because it's targeting people with diabetes. This is one thing that was my passion, and I'm so glad you sort of materialized it in a way that even I could not have done it. I am so happy that my students were all there to appreciate the amount of time and energy you put into this, and each one of them came to me and said that they really enjoyed the event. I'm so grateful to you, and I wish you all the success, and I'm sure you will go a long way, and I'd like to be a part of it as well, because this is something that I've always dreamed of, and maybe one day we will be able to do something similar, or maybe in a much bigger way. I would like to look forward to it.